Who needs the med? That's what I say. You got Bonnie Scotland. You go beat it. Some Chinese ladies over there with their umbrellas. Here are the public toilets. And that's about it. Where are we? Cumbrai.
Milford.
Alright, Milford. Yeah. She's taken in a place called Milford, the Isle of Cumbrai. Very nice. Here's a bit more of Cumbrai. A Scottish holiday tour 2016 comes to an end. There's the school party. Just finished a lesson on the beach. Didn't see the health and safety police running around fussing that they were smothered in suntan lotion and they're all wearing hats. But it must be the way they do it up here. They'll learn. Isle of Arran over there, I think. Not too sure what that island is, but there's lots of them about. And there we are. That's the full 360-degree picture. Right, I'm filming again now. Just on the ferry from where are we again? Cumbrai. Industrial works over there. It's almost been Greece. It's the Scottish mainland. Just panning round now. View of logs in the distance. Where? Oh. I don't know what. Bit of industry over there. Almost being Greece. Right, curtain coming down now. Scottish holiday 2016. Once you get back to land, it'll be off to Wetherspoons in Glasgow for Fish Friday. What a perfect end to a holiday. And that's it. Yeah, I've had a request for a final bit of video. Looking the other way off the boat. Apologies for the sound. Alright. Well, I've got some mountains here. I never ever see Scotland this sunny ever again.